Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the "You May Like" suggestions on TikTok for your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and navigate to your profile page. From your profile, tap the three bars in the top right corner. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and select Notifications. Now, scroll all the way down to the section labeled Personalized Post Suggestions. Here, turn off all the available options. After that, tap on Posts from Accounts You Follow and disable that option as well. With these settings turned off, you'll stop seeing suggested searches based on your activity. And that's it. You've successfully removed the "You May Like" suggestions on TikTok for your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.